Another day, another motherfucking dollar, cuz. All right, goodness gracious. Let's get this shit done. All right, boys. So, I don't know how you guys did today. I mean, I didn't do so terribly. We ended up making, dude, I think it was +3. I want to say it was a +3 because I don't fully remember, but NAS 100. Okay, here's all the no, that was yesterday. Today's Wednesday. Holy shit, bro. This is a lit day today. That was a lot of shit. Okay, so whatever. Let's start it off with the 15-minute. As you guys know, we're only using two time frames. Yeah, let me shut off my indicator and turn the other one on. I was trading on the MacBook, so everything's fucked up here. But I was doing a class last night, so can I shut this off? Is that fine right there? All right, 15-minute. Coming into it. We got to go back to, I can show you guys with the volume profile. Let's start off right here because I need this previous session. Okay, so you guys see where it spiked out the most, like the volume. So this is where in the previous session, meaning Asia session, there was the most amount of volume. Pow, it was right here. So this becomes our channel, meaning that when price is inside, and I'm talking in the 15-minute, when price is inside of the channel right here, then whichever candle is printed, meaning that if it's a bullish candle in the 1 minute, we're only going to be looking for buys. If it's printed a bearish candle while it's inside of the channel, then we're going to be looking for sells. Now, once price comes out bearishly, meaning it's going under outside of the channel, it needs to be printing a bearish candle and we're only going to be looking for sells. So if it's outside here, it doesn't matter where, just outside, but it has a bullish candle at the moment in the 15-minute, we're not going to be looking for trades at all. Now, on the other hand, complete opposite for the bullish, right? It needs to be printing a bullish candle. If it's printing a bearish candle anywhere outside of the channel, we're not going to be looking for buys in the 1 minute. All right, now you guys know that. We can get out of the replay. Leave, yes. Okay, and kind of go over the trades in the 1 minute. Where are they? Holy shit. I forget that I'm doing this at 147. All right, so coming into the session, I think this is right at open, yeah. So 640, we took this one, I think is the first win. Then we took a loss. So I'm just gonna count. I'm gonna show you guys everything. I'm gonna count everything at the end. We take a break even here, as you guys know, and if you don't know, I go break even as soon as we hit 1 to 1, and at 1 to 4, I take full profit. Okay. And then right here, another break even, then another break even. Our second win. And honestly, at this point, I didn't even realize that I was trading outside of my session because usually I just trade the first 2 hours from 6:30 a.m. for me, my time, MST, to 8:30 a.m. my time again, New York session. So yeah, this was not valid. I still ended up taking it. I took this one too. This was a loss. This is also why you don't take invalid trades. But after everything, it was 1, 2 losses, right? And then 2 wins. So a +6 could have just been a +4, right? But it's okay. I took this one. I'm kind of happy because then all the fees from the break even basically like didn't count, right? So overall, I think it was almost a +5 after all the fees, which is okay. But that's basically it. I'm going to be posting another video right after this one talking about Bitcoin because, dude, Bitcoin is just pumping. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And yeah, let me know in the comments what other videos I should be posting. If you guys are liking the camera, where it is. If you guys can see what the fuck. Dude, fucking BTC really had that down. This is crazy. I mean, personally, I have not been buying at all. I mainly have just been buying stocks. But good for any of my crypto brothers that are still in that hole. All right, don't forget to like, subscribe, let me know in the comments what you thought about the video, how your trading went today, and if you want to see any other videos, just give me the ideas. Peace out.